Hi guys, so welcome to a very impromptu video. So this is not something that I usually do, like sitting in front of my laptop and then talking to you guys, but I hope it helps some of you out there who are starting their channel right now, or maybe they haven't started their channel yet but want to start in the near futures. So basically हर एक चैनल का अपना एस्थेटिक, अपना थीम होता है, which I realize मेरे चैनल का तो है ही नहीं. तो मैंने सोचा कि क्यों ना let's dig deeper and give our channel the theme that it deserves. तो ये वीडियो डेफिनेटली काफ़ी इंफॉर्मेटिव होने वाला है. डोंट ट्रस्ट द इंट्रो. I know the intro sucks, but it might be a little longer than a while. So maybe you can take out some snacks and take a notepad to write all the things that you are going to learn in this video. So yeah, let's dive right into my laptop. In this video, we are mainly going to focus on three things. Number one, resources, under which comes the color palette and the fonts. Number two is overall outlook, under which comes the logo, the banner and the thumbnails. So that's the whole plan of this video or today's agenda in general. First of all, we'll go to colors.co. I'll link everything down in the description. Then you can start the generator. And basically, they are going to give you a tutorial. Go through it if you're doing it for the first time. And then just go with space button and just keep creating a palette until you are satisfied with the colors. You can increase another color or decrease color, totally up to you. So yeah, this is how you can create a palette for yourself. Let's say you like a particular color. Let's say I like this color, so I'm going to lock it and then click space, so that keeping this color intact, everything else is going to be changed. Let's say I like this too, and I'll lock it and then click space. So both of these are locked and I can basically drag it to this side so that these two are together. I like this as well, so let's go ahead and change these two. I like this as well. And you can play around with this app as much as you want. So that's about it. Another thing that you can do is go to Pinterest and search for let's say color palette for brands or brand color palette, and you will see ton of templates that you can use as your color palette. I really like this one. So yeah, that's about it. You can find any color palette that you like and search for hours and just select one. Now I've already done that, and what you can do is, let's say you like one palette. Let's say I like this. You can download the image. Then you can go to colors, and in here you will get this pick palette from Photo. And you can browse the image you just downloaded. Yeah, that's it. So you can export it as an image, as a PDF, as a whole, and I have already exported in PDF form. They show you in this manner. So here are all those 7 colors that I have chose for my branding. यहाँ उन सभी के HFX दिए हुए हैं. So if I'm editing a picture or graphics, let's say in Canva or in Photoshop, I can easily copy the HEX and that will read the color instantly. So now that the color palette has been done, has been chosen, our next agenda is searching for the fonts. Now sticking to some regular fonts is really important, and that's exactly what we are going to do. So for fonts, I like to go to the font. साथ ही साथ मैं कैनवा भी खोल लेती हूँ, क्योंकि कैनवा का पता नहीं, कैनवा में सारे फॉन्ट्स मिलते नहीं हैं. नाउ कैनवा में तो थंबनेल्स बनेंगे बट वीडियो एडिट होगा लैपटॉप में. सो आई हैव टू मेक श्योर मैं जो भी फॉन्ट्स चुन रही हूँ वो कैनवा में भी मौजूद हो फॉर द थंबनेल पार्ट and laptop में I can download it from the font. Aesthetic is equal to keeping it all synchronized, as in मेरे सारे videos के fonts same होने चाहिए to some extent. Obviously, I'm not going to stick to one font. The plan here is, at least my plan is to have 3 fonts. So as I was saying, my plan is to have a formal font, which is like corporate or formal basically. Like next, I wanna have a little cursive or handwriting sort of font, and another is I wanna have a little funky one. So yeah, that's the plan. तो मैंने अभी अपना एडिटर भी खोल लिया है, दैट इज फिल्मोरा, बिकॉज इट हैज़ इट्स ओन टेक्स्ट एज वेल. तो अगर वहाँ पे ऑलरेडी है कुछ टेक्स्ट, मतलब फॉन्ट्स, तो मुझे अलग से डाउनलोड करने की ज़रूरत नहीं है. सो विल चेक इट हियर एज वेल. मैच करेंगे बेसिकली अपने पास क्या है क्या नहीं है. सो फॉर द फॉर्मल फॉन्ट आई एम थिंकिंग ऑफ स्टिकिंग टू बेबस. फॉर्मल हमारा रहेगा बेबस. आई डोंट नो इसको बेबस क्यों बुलाते हैं, बेचारा बस में नहीं है. ओके, सो लेट्स गो विद द कैलीग्राफी और ब्रश. व्हिच वन शुड वी? लेट्स गो विद ब्रश. प्लेलिस्ट स्क्रिप्ट, इट इज वेरी कॉमन बट इट्स क्यूट एट द सेम टाइम. अच्छा, प्लेलिस्ट स्क्रिप्ट यहाँ पर है या नहीं है? प्लेलिस्ट स्क्रिप्ट, प्लेलिस्ट नहीं है तो प्लेलिस्ट में डाउनलोड करना पड़ेगा. So this is my new logo that is made in Autodesk Sketchbook. I'll link it down in the description box below. Unfortunately, I cannot share the whole process because that would make this video longer. It totally depends on you what kind of a logo you want, whether it's an illustration or just a picture of yours. Just try to keep the colors in mind and keep them synchronized, and that's it. It'll look cohesive instantly. Hi, it's actually the other day, as you can tell, but anyway, let's jump right into the tutorial. So for my YouTube banner, I like to use a Canva, obviously. I type YouTube channel art, and here you can find ton of templates, like ton. And although we are talking about keeping the colors similar, in sync, you can easily change the colors of all the templates that you're seeing in front of you. How cool is that? Let's say we are working with this template, so you can easily change the text, you can change the photo, you can add more text, and the possibilities are endless. Last but not the least, we are going to talk about the thumbnail. And again, we are back at Canva. Here we'll search for YouTube thumbnail, but I am going to start with a blank canvas because that is how I like to do it. And we are going to make a thumbnail for this video only. So it is going to be cool. First thing, I want to upload the photo. Okay, so the picture is uploaded. And we will use this as our background. That's done. I hope a little. Now this is where the magic happens. Take time and see which placement works out for you, and then just go with it. And with time, you'll understand what really works for you. So that's it for this video. I hope you enjoyed watching this video. I hope you learned a few things, and here is the final result of what my channel really looks like. I hope you got some inspiration from here. Don't forget to like this video, comment down below and subscribe to my channel and turn the bell notification on so that you get notified every time I post a video. With that has been said, I'll see you in my next video. Till then, bye.